Horizon offers beautiful, clear colors in the loveliest stripes. It's a super soft and rich yarn which comes in large, delightful skeins of 200 grams. That is about 7 ounces. You will get really far with just one skein, which actually contains a total of 550 meters or 601 yards of just beautiful stripes. Horizon is a premium acrylic, so it is actually spun from extra good quality. This means that amongst other things, the yarn is processed in several steps that are similar to the processing of wool. The acrylic is combed, which makes it richer and extra soft. Furthermore, Horizon has been through a high bulk process where the yarn is steamed under production and thus pulls together a little bit. This results in a more comfortable and softer fill. Horizon can be used for many exciting projects. It's Oeko-Tex labeled, it can be machine washed, and it actually doesn't scratch. It's wonderful to use for clothing such as sweaters, scarves, hats, but it can also be used for interiors such as soft, chunky blankets. It's also a great alternative for those that are allergic to wool. And also another thing to add is that the yarn is spun from a so-called anti-pilling acrylic. This type of fiber is constructed in a special way that makes the fibers less likely to pill like acrylic usually does. So this anti-peeling is neither a treatment or process added to the yarn. The difference is in the construction of this special fiber material that the yarn is spun from.